Hi, I'm Bill Norville and I invented Clearfix. The video you're about to see is a step-by-step instructional video showing exactly how the process works.
Clearfix is a system that restores polycarbonate and acrylic aviation window panels. The system consists of the following products. 1. A yellow restoration pack and its yellow polishing pad. 2. A gray optical restoration pack and its gray polishing pad. 3. A UV coating pack and its applicator. And 4. A unique cleaning spray which removes residues and inhibits fingerprinting, to be used with microfiber towels. When using Clearfix, always be sure to wear safety glasses and protective clothing. This is a window panel in need of restoration. The panel is covered in scratches and small particles of dirt, which can be so small they're hardly noticeable. If the window is still in the aircraft, the surrounding area should be fully covered with clear plastic sheeting and the pitot static tube and OAT with masking tape. When applying the masking tape, make sure there is a 1/4 inch overlap onto the window so no polish can collect in the groove. The dirt and contaminants must be removed. The Clearfix cleaner and microfiber cloth is used for this, and it is done in only one direction, never in a circular motion. Certain window panels, such as the side windows on this aircraft, will need to be removed prior to restoration. The clean panel or area is masked off with the blue tape and is now ready for the polish. Massage the foil pack before opening it. When opening the foil pack, do not remove the entire top. Tear the corner of the package only, so the contents are not exposed to air. The yellow pad is centered on the backing plate of the polisher, and the polish from yellow pack number 1 is squeezed onto the center of the yellow pad, about a 2-inch diameter. Before starting the buffer, press the pad loaded with the polish onto the window. Polishing is done backwards and forwards in one direction, not in circles. The buffer should not exceed 2000 RPM. Beginning at the top left corner of the window, make 12 vertical polishing passes per row, while slightly overlapping the previous row, until the entire window has been polished to the right edge. If the polish looks dry, spray the window with Clearfix spray cleaner and add more polish. Beginning at the top left corner of the window, make 12 horizontal polishing passes per row. Beginning at the top left corner of the window, make 12 vertical polishing passes per row. The friction generated in polishing causes the plastic to expand, which allows the polish to level the surface, restoring the window's clarity to like-new condition. The panel is cleaned again to remove any excess polish from the window and masking tape using a damp microfiber towel and the Clearfix spray cleaner. This next polish restores the optics of the panel. For this, the gray polishing pad is put on the polisher and polish from the gray pack number 2 is applied to it. The buffer should not exceed 1500 RPM. Before starting the buffer, press the pad loaded with the polish into the window. The polish is applied to the panel as before, in one direction, not swirled in circles. If the polish dries, it is sprayed with the cleaner and more polish is applied. Beginning at the top left corner of the window, make 4 horizontal polishing passes per row, while slightly overlapping the previous row until the entire window has been polished to the right edge. Beginning at the top left corner of the window, make 4 vertical polishing passes per row. After removing the masking tape and protective film, the window panel is cleaned again with the Clearfix cleaner to remove all traces of polish. Only microfiber towels can be used for cleaning. Discard all tape, plastic, and empty packets in accordance with local procedures. For the UV coating stage, the window panel is heated with a heat gun to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This is done to evenly warm the panel for about 3 minutes. Use of an infrared thermometer is required to judge the temperature. This is important. Avoid direct eye exposure to the beam. The heat gun must be moved constantly to evenly warm the panel, between 2 and 3 inches from the window. The UV coating pack is opened where indicated and squeezed onto the applicator. Half of the contents of the UV coating pack is liberally applied to the entire rounded surface of the applicator included with the UV foil pack. Once opened, the entire package needs to be used within 10 minutes. Start at the top of the window panel, going side to side to cover the panel evenly, and catch any drips. Apply more UV coating to the applicator as needed. The UV coating self-levels in about 9 to 12 seconds, and this is done when the lines that can be seen right after the application disappear. When the coating has self-leveled, the surface is dried gently with the heat gun on low, covering a 2 square foot area every 10 seconds, at approximately 4 inches above the panel. The panel is left for at least 30 minutes before touching.